How to fix Instagram message failed to send. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, it will start loading like this. And then you have to scroll all the way until you find Instagram. Click on it like this and then click on this storage option. Now click on this clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on this data usage option and now disable all these options right here and enable them back. Now you have to do one last thing, which is go to the settings, open the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.